in continuation, so she's the principal, or this energy is the principal. If I'm telling you, I think if you know people of the season, they're quite strict, but chicana, yeah, but strictly blind, but chicana. But yeah, this is the energy that they embody. Some are conscious of it, some are not conscious of it, but probably the subconscious and the genetic memory is, right? So this is where okay, the African creation story on a very good day, on a longer clip on YouTube, because yeah, I wanna move to the initial platform, the initial intended platform since 2020. Yeah. So let's go quickly into it. The things that you should put on your body, because your body gives somehow how. Also on your shrine or your shrines, things that help you align and resonate with the season better. All right. I hope okay, no, actually, sorry. So as you see, there's those red skirts. So this principal, she's draped in linen red, right? Hence, I don't know, feline will tell us. But I definitely know let's get this ready. And I think a lot of us, we do things, I understand the history, the etymology, the this thing. So this was like mind-blowing for me when I was delving into this content, and just I'm like, oh my god, oh, is that why, right? Then what else did I not say about Sekhmet Bast? Yeah, so like if more talk about this season, do not try this at home unless but yeah, don't lawyer people, don't wish ill on people, just go paisa. Just go paisa, call upon this principle. We can't say how far this lady goes, right? This principle, this energy goes, but she's the goddess, yeah, healing. So she offers healing. She also offers destruction and destroying for vengeance, but when it's warranted. She's not an unstable hand, no. And by hand I mean the energy. Remember, these are not people that lived. These are principles. These are energies. These are the only real thing is energy. But we'll cover that. Language, yeah, God. Right. So let's do our final part where sang the things that help you resonate better with the season, and let's take it to the next part. All right.